Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So first thing I'm going to do is prime my face with the Fenty Pro Filter Primer, which I always use, is my obsession, and I am just applying that all over my face with a beauty blender. And then I just repurchased this. This is the Kiehl's Avocado Eye Cream, and I'm just going to apply that under my eyes to moisturize them with a beauty blender. Then, because I didn't have any sunscreen, I'm using this DIOR Skin Afterglow Tint Foundation, which has SPF 25, and then I'm mixing it with the Fenty Beauty Pro Matte filter, I think, foundation, and I actually really loved this combo. It worked out really well. I thought it would, and it matched me perfectly and covered everything that I needed, but it wasn't too full coverage, so I really liked this combination. Then I'm just going to be applying some of this NARS soft matte, oh I got a text message, this soft matte concealer in Hazelnut. I love this concealer so much. I actually want to try one of their foundations, the stick one. The lady used it on me at Saks and it was awesome. So yeah, I'm just playing that out with a beauty blender, and then I'm going to go in with this NYC liquid liner and apply it on my breakouts, which I call face demons. So I'm just applying it over there, top of them, to make them look less like zits and make them into moles. And as I let that dry, I'm just going to move on to brows. They're getting so bad now, I think I'm actually going to have to get them done or like trimmed or something. So I'm just going to go in with my MAC eyeshadow and espresso and just make something shake with my brows. Guys, I'm so excited. I got my Beyonce tickets, and it's going to be a good month of August. I have so many concerts. I'm seeing Janelle Monáe on Sunday, so let me know, which is tomorrow, so let me know. This video will be up, so if you want to vlog or like to get ready with me, let me know. So yeah, I'm just doing my brows, and yeah. Then I'm just going to move on to concealer, and I'm going to go in with my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Amande and apply that in the areas that I need it. So I'm going to apply it under my eyes, and then I'm going to like reverse contour with my nose with it, and then I'm going to apply it on the areas that get dark. I had to crack my back, you guys. Makeup is hard work. And then I'm changing the song. Travis's new album came out and it's so bomb. And then I'm going to just highlight and put some on my chin and the sides of my mouth. Mighty glad to see you. going to go in with my MAC Next to Nothing foundation. I'm just showing you guys what song I'm listening to. And yeah, I really love this album. It's really good. I think I'm going to do like a review on it. And I'm just taking this MAC Next to Nothing foundation, and I think dark or dark deep in this e.l.f. like contour brush, and just warming and contouring my face. I've really been liking this. It just matches me perfectly, and it warms me up and gives me like the perfect undertone. So yeah. And I'm just going to take some of that NARS concealer and go under my brows, you know, finessing my brows the best way I can just to make them look presentable. You'll see me go back and forth with my brows to just make them not look as bushy and caterpillar. And then I'm going to go in with this Laura Mercier translucent powder in dark, and I'm going to set under my eyes and all over my face. I really love this powder. I really notice the difference in the dark one. I used to have the brightening powder, and I love how it just makes my skin look airbrush. Next, I'm going to contour my face with this KKW contour kit, and I'm going to be using like the left side, which is like the more warm, I would say red undertones, and then I'm using the Fenty Beauty Killawatt foil and Mimosa Sunrise, and I'm using the orange shade, mixing in with that, which just gives me like that bronzy goddess look. So I really like that. And then I'm going in with the pink shade, which was really intense, so I'm blending it out, but it looks really nice as a blush. And then I'm going to mix it in with the orange shade also, so just mixing the duo together. And I'm just taking my Fenty Beauty highlighter brush and blending that out. I really love that brush. And I'm going back in with my brows to finish them up, since I did the concealer, to darken them. Needed a sip of my Starbucks. Got the mango dragon fruit, which it tasted like poison today, which I'm not over exaggerating. But I'm using the Too Faced Triple X Lip Extreme injections. So I had to think about that. And then I'm going in with the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish to just apply it on any of the areas I need it to clean up my contour and to just give me some extra coverage. And I'm just going to highlight my face with the Fenty Beauty Killawatt in Hustler Baby.
I've been obsessed with this highlight since I got it. Like, I haven't been able to put it down, and now that I have this Fenty Beauty brush, it just makes it so much easier, and I love how it applies it and how you can just like decide how intense and how subtle you want it to be. So yeah, I'm just going in with that. And I'm just using the Anastasia Sweet Treats palette, and I'm going in with the shade Butterscotch, and I also used Taffy. I hadn't used this in a long time, but I love how the combination looked. This is like a very intense, like super like highlight palette. And I'm just going to use the NARS Illuminating Orgasm Loose Powder. I can't get enough of this since I got it earlier this summer. And I'm just applying that on top of all the other places that I highlighted, and then I'm just going to blend it out. And to set all of that, I'm using the Godelli. I don't know, I'm not French, but I'm using this. I'll have it linked down below. It's like a facial mist. And I'm going to also be just drying it with anything that I can find to just set all of that in place. And then I'm just using this Chanel mascara primer that I got when I was shopping recently, and I really actually enjoyed it. It really separated my lashes and made applying the mascara super easy. And this is like my favorite mascara ever. This is the Chanel, I think it's like Extreme Mascara, and this combination was everything. I'll share at the end my lashes. It just made them just look so good, full, and loved it. So those are what the lashes look like, and I'm super happy with it. And you can see a little happy dance because I'm done with my makeup. And then I'm just applying some of the Fenty Beauty Body Lava. Even though it breaks me out, I have to shower with it, but I just applied it all over my body. And I really like the way it looks. It just completes the look if I'm wearing something off the shoulder. So really love that.
So you guys, I'm almost basically ready. I'm just gonna put my shoes on. I'm wearing these, and I'm gonna put a little bit of this Kylie Lip Kit in Kristen on for a flush of color, and then I am out the door. I'm getting ready to go. And yeah, hopefully there's not mad traffic. A little flush of color. And my lip gloss is in my purse. And I'm just going to use my NARS XXX. So that is to get ready. I need to get ready and go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please thumbs it up. If you like Get Ready's, put your video request
down below. Remember to subscribe and to spread love, drink water, do your self-care, and love yourself, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, you guys.